Alright guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to make $10 a day online. This is a pretty easy way. Actually, I do it every single day. It's just good side income and it's really easy to do. I'm going to go through exactly how you do it. So, making $10 a day online seems like a nice source of simple side income for people, and I'd be willing to bet that you'd be happy to make that every day. In this specific example of how you can make $10 extra a day online, you'll be happy to know that it'll literally only cost you about 20-25 minutes per day. The company to which I'm referring to, which you can work for to make this amount, is Appen. Appen is a company that is specialized in machine learning, but they also hire people to do a plethora of things for them, which can make some nice extra side income. Almost everything on Appen pays around $10 an hour, which is good, especially for young people and people who are just relying on the site for side income. Of the types you can go for on this site, they're broken down into 4 categories. These categories are raters, language jobs, micro tasks, and corporate jobs. Raters is the one that I'm referring to. It's the one that I chose. In my opinion, it's actually the easiest and best for your money. But language jobs, if you know any other languages like Spanish, I recommend that you choose that. Micro tasks is very similar to Amazon Turks, and corporate jobs are for jobs that you can choose, which you'll be working more along the lines of like a 40-hour work week, and they're going to be much harder to get. But if you need like an actual career online, then this could be an easy way for you to go for. But in this video, I'm going to be specifically talking about the raters category, and the link for this is in the description below. To make your extra $10 a day, I recommend that you choose the raters category and click the apply button and fill out the entire application. The resume you upload doesn't really have to have many things on it at all. Just make a basic one with some of your basic skills in Google Docs. My resume pretty much had nothing on it. I just had my high school information on it and some basic skills. And I got the job, so I guarantee it'll work for you as long as you put in a few minutes of effort into creating this. You should get accepted within 3 weeks. And then over time, your Appen dashboard will fill up with jobs that you can get. In my case, a company named Truckee allowed me to work for them. This is up to an hour a day, and all that I have to do is work 5 days a week minimum and rate a set of ads on my Instagram app. They explain to you exactly how to do it in the onboarding process. It's really simple, easy, doesn't require much work, and I've been religiously making around $200 plus a month doing this. And it honestly requires very little. And to be honest, I take my breaks, so you could be making a lot more doing this, around $300 a month. But yeah, that's it. And this is a real simple way. I recommend that you try this out. And let me know if you do it. Leave a comment down below how it worked out for you, and we'll see you in the next one.